Yes, good morning, good afternoon. How are you, everybody? My name is Swaga. Today, I'm taking you through Qatar Islamic Museum. You just look at the entrance, that is Qatar Islamic Museum. Qatar has two. There's Qatar National Museum, is different from Qatar Islamic Museum. There are two museums in a different location, but they are just nearby, adjacent. So don't get confused. Now today we are at Qatar Islamic Museum. What you see is the entrance from the road coming. You start with fountain water. Water is blowing. You go inside. You see the architecture, more of angles. What you see outside, the building is full of angles. Outside, what you see, it is full of angles, but when you come inside, it is the same. The architecture inside, it is different. Very nice, very charming. This museum is designed by IM PEI. PEI. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is the same person who designed Lavron Pyramid. So if you know that place, it's the same guy or same person. Qatar Islamic Museum is free of charge to Qatar nationals. If you have ID, per now it is free of charge. You just show your ID, they give you the ticket, you enter and watch, enjoy what is inside. So for the foreigners, you pay some amount of money, like 50 riyal and above. So I'll not comment much on that because sometimes it is free. To nationals, it is free. I don't know whether later on they pay, but for now it is free. So when you come inside, what will welcome you is the architecture. My friend, inside. So you'll be able to see everything. Whatever item you see here, it is self-explanatory. What you see that one, like it is written there to understand the item, how it's called, how it was used, when was used. So if you're good at reading, you can read there. It is already indicated there. And enjoy. Very nice, very good. Inside is cool. You don't touch anything, you just watch and go. You're not allowed to touch anything because this place is being protected in a glass, so you might touch something and break the glass. So if you break, other people will not be able to come and enjoy like the way you came. So that's why they don't allow anyone to touch you. Just come, watch and go, watch and go. So but it's very good. How do you reach to Qatar Islamic Museum? If you're from Musharraf, you have to be with a Qatar metro card, Musharraf. From there you get from museum. By the way, from National Museum, the metro is stopping at the National Museum. Then from the National Museum, it's a walkable distance to Islamic Museum near the Albida Park, West Bay.